iPhone 16 and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra are two of the most highly anticipated flagship smartphones of 2024, packed with cutting-edge features and representing the pinnacle of what Apple and Samsung can deliver. While they cater to different kinds of users, I believe these two phones are at the forefront of smartphone innovation this year. In this video, we'll break down the specs, features, and key differences between these powerhouses, helping you decide which one fits your needs best. Let's kick things off with the design and build quality, a category where both Apple and Samsung excel. The iPhone 16 follows Apple's signature flat-edged design, and this time it's built with a tougher, lighter grade of titanium, similar to what we saw with the iPhone 15 Pro series. It feels premium, sleek, and minimalist, exactly what you'd expect from Apple, with the ceramic shield front for added durability. On the other hand, Samsung has also gone with titanium edges on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but they've taken a slightly different design route. This year, Samsung ditched the curved edges, opting for a completely flat display. In my opinion, this brings the Galaxy S24 Ultra closer to Apple's flat design aesthetic, but with thinner bezels and a more industrial, futuristic vibe. When it comes to design, both phones are incredibly well built. I believe it ultimately comes down to personal preference. Now let's talk about the displays, where both devices shine. The iPhone 16 features a 6.7-inch ProMotion OLED display, which can reach up to 2500 nits of peak brightness. It also boasts that buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate and Apple's signature true-to-life color reproduction. I believe the iPhone 16 display is top-notch, perfect for watching videos, gaming, or simply scrolling through apps. However, Samsung has always been known for its stunning displays, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra takes it a step further. It sports a 6.8-inch Quad HD AMOLED display, and here's where it truly stands out, with a peak brightness of 2600 nits, making it the brightest display on any phone in 2024. In my opinion, Samsung continues to set the standard for smartphone displays, and the S24 Ultra is the best I've seen yet. Moving on to performance, both of these phones are absolute powerhouses. The iPhone 16 is powered by Apple's new A18 Bionic chip, which is 20% faster than the previous generation. It's built on a 3nm process, making it more efficient and delivering better power consumption. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or editing 4K videos, the A18 chip is an absolute beast. I believe Apple's efficiency and power are second to none here. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, depending on the region, comes equipped with either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset or Samsung's own Exynos 2400. The Snapdragon version in particular is a gaming powerhouse with features like real-time ray tracing and a massive vapor chamber for better cooling. I believe the S24 Ultra has the upper hand if you're into heavy gaming or multitasking, thanks to the 12GB of RAM compared to the iPhone's 8GB. Now let's dive into the cameras, one of the most important aspects of any flagship phone. The iPhone 16 sticks to its triple camera system, a 48MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a new 12MP telephoto lens. Apple's computational photography combined with its smart HDR5 produces natural-looking photos with accurate skin tone and impressive dynamic range. I believe if you're after true-to-life photos, the iPhone 16 is hard to beat. Samsung, on the other hand, has packed the Galaxy S24 Ultra with a quad camera setup, featuring a 200MP main sensor, a 50MP 5x telephoto lens, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a 10MP periscope telephoto, capable of up to 100x zoom. On paper, the S24 Ultra's camera setup is unmatched in terms of versatility and zoom capabilities. I believe this choice comes down to your photography preferences. If you want natural, true-to-life photos, go with the iPhone 16. But if you're someone who loves pushing the boundaries of zoom or ultra-wide shots, I think the Galaxy S24 Ultra is the way to go. Battery life is another important consideration, and both phones impress in this department. The iPhone 16 comes with a 4900 mAh battery combined with Apple's efficient software, delivering excellent all-day battery life. It supports 20W wired charging and 15W wireless charging with MagSafe. Samsung ups the game with a 5000 mAh battery in the S24 Ultra, along with 45W fast charging and 25W wireless charging. I found that the S24 Ultra comfortably lasts a day and more, even with heavy usage. I believe if fast charging and slightly longer battery life are priorities for you, the Galaxy S24 Ultra takes the edge here. This is where things get subjective. Let's talk software. The iPhone 16 runs on iOS 18, offering seamless integration within the Apple ecosystem. If you're already using a MacBook, Apple Watch, or iPad, I believe iOS is the best choice for that interconnected experience. The Galaxy S24 Ultra runs on Android 14 with Samsung's One UI 6.0. One UI is all about customization, offering features like Samsung DeX for desktop-like multitasking. And I believe that if you love personalizing your phone, Android and Samsung software might offer you more flexibility. Both phones offer long-term software support, with Samsung now promising 7 years of updates, matching Apple's commitment. In terms of future-proofing, I believe both are equally reliable. So which one should you choose? I believe it depends on what matters to you most. If you want a sleek, integrated experience with industry-leading video capabilities and amazing software support, the iPhone 16 is your best bet. However, if you prefer a more customizable interface, a stunning display, and a versatile camera system, the Galaxy S24 Ultra offers an incredible package. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.